Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include trailer tow package, technology package, blind spot safety, parking sensors, navigation system, and moonroof.